Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It is Wednesday, November 4th. I hope everyone enjoyed their day off yesterday. And I just want to give you guys a quick update where we are at in physical science. Remember, we are going to be having a quiz tomorrow. Okay, because we had yesterday off, I'm really just going to give you guys today to finish up what we saw on Monday. I am going to post a key to a practice quiz we did last week. I pulled that out, and let me show you where that is now. Still in Unit 1. Our quiz will be on Investigation 3. Okay, so last week I had this practice quiz in this Activity 3.4 folder. I pulled that out in the main Investigation 3 quiz. Main Investigation 3 folder. Practice quiz, you had a bunch of attempts to take a look at it. Most of you guys have done it. If you'd like to go back and do it again, go for it. What I posted today is just a Google Doc going over the questions. I'm actually still working on a couple of them, so do apologize on that end. The one thing I wanted to mention that we could probably do a little bit better on is the evidence. Okay, a lot of us did a really good job of saying we know that it has mass and we know that it takes up space, but for a piece of evidence to be complete, we want to provide some support of where we saw. How do we know that it has mass? How do we know that it takes up volume? In this document, I'm putting evidence that we collected in Investigation 3. You could also use in another example. I know that air takes up space because we can fill a balloon with it. I know that air has mass because the balloon is going to be heavier when it's blown up with air. Okay, so take a look at this. Keep that in mind. Again, just to help you guys, just because we've already taken the practice quiz, that should prepare you pretty well for our quiz tomorrow. Okay, should be very similar. That's about it. Now, all your grades are in for marking period 1. I've got a couple people we'll talk to, but that's not a problem for the whole group. So, hope you enjoy this sunny weather that's finally coming around after a couple of weeks of rain, it seems like. So, and I will talk to you guys soon.